This '63 Savoy has come a long way from being a pedestrian commuter car. It did its share of grocery runs, taking the kids to school, going on vacations, but in the early '80s, it was taken from its duties and built into a race car. The owner put a 440 bored and stroked to 500 cubic inches with a tunnel ram, set the engine back, and then they put 391 gears in the rear and rounded up the racetrack to a best time of 10.4 at 130 miles per hour. The 62 to 65 early B bodies always remind me of the Max Wedge cars. My favorite part about these cars is that, while the styling wasn't overly attractive, you didn't mess with them on too much, because that probably meant you'd be looking out the taillights. These cars had a well-deserved reputation for being quick. Race cars often get the most unique paint schemes, and the one in this car certainly is no exception. You won't mistake it for another car on the track. This car is still being actively raced, and it definitely carries the Mopar banner proudly. I hope you enjoyed looking at this Plymouth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.